Okay, so I've been meaning to put this book together for a while, and I figured this is a good time to do it. This is one. Christy got me this book, The Orange Bird, for when I got my new job. So I've had it since March. Um, and so I took it apart. I took the staples out, and I have the two signatures. And then I did pull just some really sort of random papers. This one, obviously, because I had oranges. Some. This one says bird. I guess it wasn't totally random. I did have some sort of thought to some of these. Yeah, this one says bird. This is just some jelly plate. This was a masterboard that I photocopied and then did jelly printing on the back of it. Dooney and Burke paper. This actually came in my Orange Bird bag. And then I did jelly printing on it. I don't know how, I mean, that's just completely decorative. I don't know what I would stick to it to make it more sturdy. I kind of like it how it is. When you get that 12 by 12 scrapbook paper and it only has one side that's pretty, then I do jelly printing on the other side of it because I have a jelly printing problem. Some of these are obviously better than others. I love this paper. I actually just used what was left over of this paper. I made a different book cover and I used that on the inside, the rest of it. This one, if I cannot find a B book, I think this one's going to be my B book, because then I'll try to find like a great big, like maybe a patch, an iron-on patch or something that's a B, and put it on the front. But I thought it was, no. Anyway, that's for another time. So there's that one. I don't know if you guys want to go through all these, but like I am. So there. That was just from a magazine. I like kids books because they have good pictures or whatever. Doodlebug. I did Doodlebug because my mom used to call me that every once in a while. This one was just a old Bugs Bunny Goes to the Dentist book. Find Freddy. I like to do the to do those ones. The I Spy ones are really good. And old Madeline books, because who doesn't love Madeline? This is just a teeny tiny piece of paper for interest. This one's beautiful. That was from an art magazine. Somerset Studio, Winter 2020. Orange flowers. This has got orange on it. This one's got orange. Another paper. I think I picked that one because it said sunshine. This is from a Target catalog. Maybe. Oh, Amazon. Amazon. Daddy Bezos gave me that one. Sparkly. This more Dooney and Burke paper. I must have had some thought to why I put these this way, so maybe I had them separated into signatures, but it's been so long that I have no idea what I meant to do with things. I'm very much of the, like, the more of a mess it looks, the more I like it. That one, another one of the Find Freddy's. This was from, I don't know, like some 1950s or 60s book that I had about NASA. And I think usually I flip these pages up, but I think it was ripped, and that was why I only used part of it. nursery rhymes books are also good. And then I also love the Richard Scarry books for these, because you can fold these pages in and make a tuck spot, which is why they're significantly longer, so that I can make built-in tuck spots for those. So I need to figure out my signatures, and then this is my template that I made some time ago, and then this is the chipboard. You can see I have, well, maybe you can't see, but I have 2 layers of chipboard here that I have stuck together to make it a little more sturdy. And then I have some hey, there's the end. I was wondering how I was going to find the end. So I think a cat got to this and somebody tried to put it away so that the cat would not get in trouble. The cat didn't get in trouble. I just now have to figure out how to use my thread. And I also have buttons that I would like to put on the edge. So as example, here is another book. This is the book that I'm currently working in. I have all kinds of random things on the dangle part of it, the spine dangle. Some of it I don't even know where I got, but I got it somewhere. This I bought at Walmart because I was like, oh, it's Hiram's Red Shirt. So Hiram's Red Shirt was my absolute favorite little golden book growing up, and they're very expensive. So if you want like a good one, like great condition, it can be like $50 to $100. I bought this one for $25 and ripped it apart because there's something wrong with me, I guess. But to like, the story is still intact. I can read it if I want to, but like, this is how I want to love this book, if that makes sense. So this is where I put all the stuff that I picked up in Vegas, and I still have more room in here. So this was like some postcard I found someplace, and then I did a jelly printing on top of it. Some art stamps on this. I made a pocket out of my Omega Mart bag, so I can put something in there. This is just a tuck spot and a schedule for a game that I went to when I went to Sacramento one time. This is just sort of random. Oh yeah, this was when I got my armadillo tattoo. That was the guy, Luke, who gave me that tattoo. And then this is just, I don't know, cute, I guess. Art. And then some random thing. I thought that was good because he looks scary. I Spy book page. There's one of the big playing cards that I have. And then this was just, I don't know what I put that on. Some kind of, I don't know. I did magic. This was from Leatherby's, an ice cream place. They didn't have anything with their name on it except for that leave a comment card, so I took that. I must have made these. I don't know what I made them from. Because they're heavy, super heavy. That's my hair lady. This is a place that I bought some washi tape from. This was from probably when I went to Gen Con, I don't know. This was when I started at Vecna. They left this on my desk. It just was like, we're excited you're here. And then Vera, she said, I went to Maine and I was thinking of you. And she had left rocks on my desk. This was just cute. That's one of my friends. business cards. The Fractured Prune is a place in Ocean City, Maryland. And then this was from the Sherlock Holmes Museum. It served as my, I don't know, like I never put it in a journal. I just found it laying around and I was like, oh, I should just put it in a journal. 3 Dots and a Dash. Christy and I went there. Eventually I'll turn this into a dangle. I'll poke a hole in it and put something on it. So you can kind of see there's no like rhyme or reason for like where things are for the most part. This was perfume that I bought. I thought the packaging was like super fancy. Mascara, my shoes. These are shoes that Seven bought for me. Belly flops. I went to the Jelly Belly factory. This I just thought was like a super cool advertisement. That's just pretty, I guess. And that was when Poe and I were playing a game. I saved the little game thing. That's from the tarot cards that I bought. It came with stickers. Nugget was a grocery store we went to. This was from my little brother. He sent me like a cool, like, I don't know, bottle caps or something. And then another book page. That's my old business card. Another drink coaster. This is from Paper Bunny. This was from a game that we were playing. Here's my Zoltar. Meow Wolf. Oh, and this is the paper from the Four Queens. And then this was when I bought some rocks. And then there's another envelope in here with nothing in it. Just Jelly Belly wrappers. Another card. More Jelly Belly stuff that I just put in a big pocket. I thought that was pretty. I don't really know what it was about. Oh, this was from Ipsy, I think. And then this was a Christmas card from one of my friends. Again, I found it hanging out with the Sherlock Holmes stuff, and I was like, okay, well, it needs to live somewhere. I just shoved the whole egg and eye thing in there. This was from Christy. I kept it in the plastic so that if I ever want to take it out, I can. I just thought it looked really good on that page. Receipt and gamepad thing. Omega Mart sticker. It's still free if I want to use it. And then this tea sample I did not get in Vegas, but I thought it looked good with this thing. This was from a baby shower I went to. This was from Sarah, the one who does the tarot cards. This is a bonbon wrapper, a Bim Bom wrapper from one of the guys at work who gave me some Russian candy. This was just something I tried to play with. I assume I could fill it with stuff. There's sort of space here, and then it closes up like that. This was when I tried Blackwater. It wasn't that great. And then I had some vouchers from the Sky River Casino that I just stuck to the other side. Those will eventually probably fade to nothing, but whatever. And then some more empty pages. This is where I put my Queen of Hearts thing. And then when we were in that writer's block, I saw these. You're supposed to leave the pigeon a quarter and a question, and then come back in a week, and he'll answer your question for you. But we're not going to go back in a week. Queen of Hearts thing. This, again, Everybody's Tarot. That was from Sarah. And then this was when Christy and I had rosé. So I just stuck it on there. I thought it looked good. This is a very fancy page, I guess. And that's it. So that's sort of what I'm trying to do with my Orangebird book. Just so you know. I don't know when I'll start using this one, but it will be ready for me when I do. Okay, so I'm going to take these and I'm just going to clip them all together so that I don't lose anything if somehow I get interrupted and don't finish. Oh my goodness. The struggle is real. Okay, good. One more for good measure. We're going to work on the outside of the book first. Okay. And I'll just move that to the side. Here is this and this. I need to peel this off, I think. I need to go get my nails done again because they are heckin' long. And we're gonna just cut this off. I used to save the because if you use a hair dryer and heat this up, it will melt the adhesive under the golden strip, and you can slowly peel it off and then use it someplace else in the book, which is like fun or whatever to do that. But apparently I wasn't feeling that when I started ripping this one apart, or maybe it just ripped or something, and I was like, well, this is how it is now. This is my life. Okay. I've never used like a new golden book for this. I've only ever used old ones, so this will be a new experience. I need my tape. Bear with me one moment. Talk amongst yourselves. There should be a great big roll of tape around here somewhere that I cannot see for the life of me. There it is. Found it. Found it. You guys are alright. You don't have to help. I got it. Oh god. Okay. I just use this tape to stick it on. If I can get my nail under there. I really do need to get my nails done. They're really bad. Okay. We're gonna stop talking about that though. Well, I hope that's some good ASMR sounds and not some horrible ASMR sounds. I'm really good at measuring and stuff. So it's kind of how Cheryl, look away if you don't want to be traumatized. Okay, I'm gonna I can do it. I believe in me. Come on. Okay. The thing about tape is it's sticky. Okay. Okay. I'm going to try to line that up. And then I'm going to go about here with it. And then I'm going to put this guy about there. Okay, well, I didn't mean to do that, but that's not bad. So I'll just put it down there. Okay. And of course, there's every way in the world that you can do this. You don't have to do it my way. You can go your own way. Go your own way. job. You got this. You can do it. I believe in you. Oh God. There it is. No. Okay. That's plenty. Okay. And don't come for me for the scissors that I use. Okay, we're gonna go like that. And then we're gonna leave a little gap. And there we go. And there we go. Okay. I'm gonna, ta-da! Beauteous. Okay. Now, I have this fabric, which I love. Like that. So if I'm outside, this is what you see. But I also think that I want another layer, and I have back here in the pile of things, I have a couple of different options. So I have Cobam, and then I have snails in pink. So this one would, let's see. Let me just hack off a bit here. That could go over there. That could go there. Let's just make a mess, shall we? So what I'm thinking of is like an under layer for the other one, you know. So I would put this on and then this on top, which looks fine, but I think that's like vividly vivid. I don't know if that's right. So we're gonna try this one too. And let's see what we got. This, I want it to be like, I don't know, something like that. I can always make it help. Is it weird that I'm using two different pairs of scissors? Probably. Okay. And fold this up. Sort of. Okay. And then we have this as an option. For the little, definitely we'll have to make that smaller, and then this on top, which I think I like. I mean, I like this one. It's a different vibe than that, right? So I think we're gonna go with this snails, and then we're also going to try to make these a little bit smaller, I think. Because I definitely don't need it to be that big. I need it to be like maybe here. Extra piece. Okay. That looks better. And then this boy goes here. So what this does is it reinforces the spine while also like covering up the tape. So yes, I think that's good. Okay. I'll lock it a lot. Oh, I guess I could look at it like that on the OBS so you can see. Okay. Don't lose that. I need it. Okay. So now we're going to get out, have some Fabri-Tac. It is my favorite for this job. This one is getting pretty low. You can do it. I believe in you. We're going to use all of it. Okay. We're going to try to leave it upside down. Perfect. Use our fingies. Because this stuff will get globby if it's underneath fabric. So we want to smooth it out a little so it doesn't look globby. Okay. Just a small overlap. Are the snails upside down? Snails are upside down. Whatever. I'm never going to notice again because I'm covering most of them. Okay. Okay, and then we're going to do this side. Glue. Oh my goodness, glue, you can do it. I believe in you. Let's go. Oops. I got it over the edge. It's okay. We'll fix it in post. Okay. There. What else have I been doing? What was the funnest thing that I did in Vegas? I think like going to see the the scrapbook store was fun. That was super different than the other stuff that I've done. Okay, we're going to start by putting this down about here. Cut it off. Place that. We're going to place this up here. And then we are going to do a little bit of gluing in the overlap. And I think the scrapbook place was super fun because I guess I never really thought about using scrapbook stuff for my art. So it was interesting that way to see that, like, how much of an overlap there is in from scrapbooking to like mixed media and stuff like that. Okay, so here's our first layer of fabric. He looks cute. And then we're going to do it again. And I'm going to do myself a little bit of a favor and maybe sort of pre-measure this one. you know. Whatever we got. Okay. And we're going to glue it to the outside first. And it looks like we're going... I'm just going to go to where... a little bit outside where the spine bends are. We'll see what happens. I really should just use the other glue. It's not like this is the only thing of Fabri-Tac that I have. Okay. But I feel like maybe I could use it up with this. Just do a little bit of smushing. We got this. Smush it around. Smush it around. If you wanted to hide your seam, your signature, like binding stuff, you could bind it and then cover the spine with this piece, but I don't want to do that. I like to see it because I like to put buttons on it and make it look super cute. Okay. Hey, guess what? More glue, more glue, more glue. It is my favorite glue. This is fun, huh? You guys enjoying the glue show? And okay. That'll probably stick. I can't believe there's still more in there. Okay. Smush. Okay. And this way to cover there. And this way to cover here. And then we have a bit of an overlap that we're gonna use a little more glue. Okay, and just we'll do it just like a big smudge. There's no precision here. There's like half measuring, you know? Like, if anybody was like, oh, I bet Veronica's a total perfectionist. Well, you were wrong. I appreciate that you think that about me, but you're wrong. Okay. Now we try to get all the glue off our hands. At least most of it. It's silicone based glue, which is why it that's why it boogers up like that. Okay. And then we smush it in. Make sure we can do the fold. Look at how cute that is. How cute. And then I can put my name there. Neat. Okay, we're gonna let that sit and dry for a minute. I'm gonna take a drink of tea. This is my little Hufflepuff cup that Mike got me from Gen Con. It's made by a company called Powley, Pawley, and they do all different kinds of fan mugs. I have one. I have one that is Sherlock Holmes. I have one that's a D20. One that's I don't know. I have a bunch of different ones. So there's that. Okay. If you want one, they're amazing mugs. I'm getting messages. Okay, this one. So this is going to be the front signature, and this one's going to be the back one. So I could go by, I know that some of my papers, so this one's a music page, and I know there was another music page in here. Some of these I think I was like, oh, there's two of them, so one will be for each signature. Oh, yes. I think that's legit what I was doing here. I think these are separated like that. Boom. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's a lot of pages. Okay, I'm going to have to pare that down. I think this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay. So what I need is probably about, because this adds 1, 2, 3 pages. So I need about 15 pages. So I definitely want this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, and should I take out a smaller one to leave? I should take out a smaller one to leave in that last folded page. So I'll just take out one of these. And I'm choosing it based on, like, I guess the busyness, if that makes sense. I just want to be able to stick stuff to it. So there. That's my plan, as it were. Okay, that's going to be the front one, and then this is 3 pages. what did I say? 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let me take out 2 more. 1, 2. Okay. Do, 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 do. That. Okay. And here. So we're going to clip this back one. No, we're going to clip the front one together, right? Because we do the front second. Okay. And then these are extra pages for later, for another junk journal. And that looks good. Okay. Okay, let's put this together. I'm getting all ahead of myself. I'm done with my glue for now. I need to put the back pages together. So we're gonna do, this is where it is completely just up to you what it's gonna look like. So I think I want this on the outside because I like, so this is where you go like, oh, like I think this little bird looks cute with this like same color. And then like I could do this so you can see kind of some of it. Look at his little face. And then we'll do we have this orangey one right here that would look cute like that. Do these two. And then in the middle, oh, that's not the middle yet. Let's do one of the big ones though. And then we'll do that. Like that. Look at him. And then I like that one in the book. It looks really good. Maybe this one. There's some red. What else do we have? Like 4, 5 more pages. Okay. Let's go back through again. Okay. So we're gonna, this one, no, I think I like 2 there. This one's superly good right next to that. Maybe we need something in here, this one. Okay. And then that. And we need a shorter one in here. I think I want this one in there. Longer one. Let's do this one. And then we have 2 in here. Let's do, oh shoot, gosh, there's more. There's always more. This can fold over. Okay. I like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then what do we have here? 1, 2, 3. Let's add another one. We'll do, oh, I like this though. We'll do something. We'll do something here. We'll do this one here. Right? No, let's do this long one. Okay. And then here there's only 2. Okay, I'll do it. I'll do it. Okay. So this, oh, and I have this extra piece. So 1, 2, 3, 4. No, wait, we don't count that. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. 15 is still like, still a fair bit, but okay. Just knock those in, and then we're going to clamp them down for a second, because again, we don't want to lose them. We don't want to lose their order. I'm still getting more text messages. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna work on the first signature, and then this is almost an hour, so I should probably call it good after I do this one. Okay. So we have, I gotta remember, we have 1, 2, 3. Oh, I could just do it like that. Maybe this is what I meant to do in the first place. So I have 3 large pieces. So I'm just going to put them in between, and then in between. Oh, he has a Dole Whip. Oh, but they call them citrus swirls because you can't call them Dole Whip. Okay, and then we need a couple of outside pieces to be, I think I just want to do this one this way. I mean, that looks cute, huh? That could be my very first one. And then this one's kind of a shorty, so I'll put that someplace else. Let's see, what do we got? If I do it this way, so that's like 1, 2. Those are kind of the first ones you see. When you open the book, it's going to look like that. And then the cover page. We'll do this guy in here. He looks good with that. And then some flowers. this one. And then we're going to do that. And then 1, 2. Just do this. Ooh. We do horse. And then this 1, 2, 3. I like that because it's got dots. And then it's got the dots and then the little hexagons. Okay. As you can tell, I'm very strict about what goes where. Okay, and then we have this one, this one. Let's do this one this way. One, two, three. And then I'm actually going to put this in the super center, I think. The super center. Okay. And just knock the poo out of it. We'll get that signature together. Okay. So this is the front of the book. This is the back of the book. It goes like this. And Bob's your uncle. Done. You know, it's just that easy. All right. Thank you for watching. You're amazing humans. Keep crafting.